How's it going, everybody? It's Matt again from Casually Crafted 3D, and today we have another model kit, another full enemy kit. So this is actually going to be the version 2.0 of the Boss Combat Drone or Aerial Defense Drone. I have already made these before, but the version I previously made was not very good, to be honest. I was not very happy with how it turned out. It was very flimsy, very difficult to print and hard to manipulate and assemble, and just broke all the time. So wasn't a fan of it. So it definitely needed to be revisited. So that's what I did. I went completely from scratch. These don't share any of the original parts. I've built them up from nothing. So they're completely brand new designs. So there's a lot of differences here. They're, of course, better scaled, which I will go ahead and show. Here we are with the official Melander and official Orbiter kit. So they are 30-minute mission scale or sized. So they have quite a bit of improvements. I'll go ahead and just kind of pick this one up. Immediately, the blades are a lot hardier, a little easier to print. I did the exact same way that I did my helicopter model, that with version 2.0 that I recently just released. The blades are now they're basically just a big cross that gets sandwiched between these two detail parts, and now you run a pin through it and you can rotate it and move it around and such. If you loosen this up quite a bit, you actually probably could spin it, but I'd left it kind of tight. But yeah, so they're pretty simple models. This version is the kind of standard Gatling gun model, where it just kind of has the gun here on the bottom. You can, of course, pull it off. I'm not going to do it just because I don't want to twist it off. But you can pull this off and swap it out with any of the other parts. You can also make this the flying version if you would like. You just basically, I think this is glued on, but it basically just has this kind of tripod part, which you will pull off of the bottom, and then you will replace it with the folded up version of the legs. And then you're going to have this base here. It's just a very simple little base with an adapter right here. You can pull the adapter off, which has a 3mm hole, so you can put it on any action base, whether it be official or unofficial or whatever, and then that just plugs into that little hole right there, and then you can have it in its flight mode. But that's the Gatling gun version. This is the bomb version that you see just like in the one mission. I forget. I think it was Survey the Uninhabited City or something. So this is the suicide bomb that you can put on it. So there's that version. And then we have the two cut content versions, which I discovered from the concept art in the official art book. So first off, we have kind of like this dual cannon version. It's like dual bazooka or whatever. It plugs in the exact same way as the other one, just right on the bottom. So there is that version. And then we have the, I'm going to call this the spotlight version. It's like a big spot lamp. Same thing, plugs in right to the bottom. So, yeah. So there are the new parts. So yeah, so I'll just keep this video nice and short. It's just an update for the previous model. These guys are just simple little additions that you can put along with your ACs. They look really nice next to them. The files should already be available pretty much everywhere for the new version. If you already purchased the files for the old version, don't worry, you should already have access to the new version. If you wanted to reprint the new versions, you should have already gotten an email about it if you bought them on any of the other sources. If you didn't get an email about it and you didn't know about the new release of these, please shoot me an email or message me on socials, and we can get you sorted out. I'll make sure that you get access to these, especially if you already purchased the files. But if you haven't, even you're just now seeing this version is now available pretty much everywhere. On my website, on Patreon, on Colts, CG Trader, all that good stuff. You can check it out. You can download them there. If you don't have access to a 3D printer and you would like to have this in physical prints, I'm like wobbling it like crazy, my stand. They are available in twin packs. So you will get 2 of these in one pack with all the additional weapons, and that'll be available only on my website. So if you check out my website, there should be a listing there for just the drone twin packs. But yeah, but that's it. Of course, thank you so much for watching the video. If you could please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. There is a playlist on the channel which takes you to all of my other kits that I've made. I've made quite a lot of these at this point, so please go check that out. If you would like to support me, please check out either becoming a member here on YouTube. It's not really any incentive to do so yet, but there may be in the future. But of course, the best way to support me is going to be on my Patreon, which you can find linked in the description along with my shops and all that. But of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Take care.